My friends, today we are at Castillos del Mar in Rosarito. Check out this balcony and this view of the ocean. This hotel was about 97 bucks on Expedia. It's nothing fancy, but the view is spectacular, as you will see. Unfortunately, this room does not have, it does have 2 beds, but it doesn't have a fridge. So I brought my own cooler. It's got 2 closets. And here's the bathroom. Shower. And plus tax, it is $110. So bring your cooler with ice, and you can buy food at the restaurant, but I recommend you bring snacks.